Okay, let's start our class. So this is the first question. It is from October November 2018, paper 1, question number 22. Now we can see that here the universal set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P is a set that such that x is equals to 0, 1, 2, and Q is a set such that y is equals to 0 and 2. Now in the part A, the question is that list the numbers of P intersection Q. Now we can directly see here that P intersection Q means, now intersection Q means you can see that only 2 is a number which is in the both sets. So we will say 0 and 2 are the two numbers which are in the both sets P and Q. So the marks for this question is 1 mark. Now the second one is find the number of elements of P complement union Q. Now let's see that first of all let's find out P complement union Q. Now let's find out the P complement. Now if P complement means U minus P. U means universal set, and this one is this is the symbol of universal set, and right now we will use the alphabet U. Now if we write it as the set U is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Minus 0 and 2. It means that if we subtract the P elements from the U elements, so we will get 0, we will get 1, we will get 3, 4, 5 and 6, because we have subtracted the P elements. These three are the P elements. So 0, 1 and 2, we will subtract 0, 1 and 2 from the U set, universal set, and we will get 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's find out the P complement union Q. Now P complement union Q means, first of all we have to write P complement. The set P complement contains 3, 4, 5 and 6. Union Q. Now Q contains 0 and 2. So union means we have to write it all together. So 3, 4, 5, 6 will be the final answer. But the point here is, do not ignore this n. Now this n means the number of elements of P complement union Q. Now if we count the number of elements, so we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we can see that there are 6 elements in the set P complement union Q. I hope that the concept is clear. Now the number of marks for this question is 1. Now we are continuing the first question here again. Now we can see here that the set U, P and Q are given, And in part C we can see that we have to list the number of set R. Now let's find out the elements of set R, and we will check it one by one. Now here it is mentioned that set Z is equals to 2x plus y. Now x, these are the values of x, and these are the values of y. It is also mentioned here. So we will just directly, first of all, we will put 0 and 0. We will get the result. Then we will put 0 and 2. Then 1 and 0. Then 1 and 2. Then 2 and 0. And then 2 and 2. Now what does it mean? It means that we have the expression 2x plus y. 2x plus y, we are putting the values of x and y in this equation. First 0 and 0, then 0 and 2. Then 1 and 0, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 0 and 2 and 2. And then we will get all these values. So the set S will be, the set R will be 0, 2, 4 and 6. I hope that the concept is clear. Now this is the second question, and in this question we will have the set U, A and B. First of all, let's define the sets U, A and B so that it will be clear. It would be easy for us to solve. Like the set S is an integer between 1 and 10, where 1 and 10 is also included. This sign shows that 1 is included in this set and 10 is also included in this set. So your set U will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 up to 10. 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Your set A will be, let me write it here, A will be the factors of 20. Now factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5 and 10. We will not go beyond this. And the set B is the multiple of 4. So multiple of 4 will be 4, 8, 12, 16, but we will ignore these multiple over 10 we will ignore. So that is why the set B will be 4 and 8. Now let's complete the tree diagram, and it contains 2 marks. So as we have earlier defined that these are the sets. The universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and set A contains 1, 2, 4, 5, 10. Set B contains 4 and 8. Now if we just write it here, so we can say that in set A and B, 4 is the element which is in both sets A and B. So we will write 4 here, and then we will write the remaining elements here, like 8 here, and here it will be 1, 2, 5 and 10. All the remaining elements of universal set will be written here. We will be writing here. So it will be like we have write 1, 2, 3 is missing, so we will write 3 here. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, so we will write here. 7 is missing, we will write here. 8 is there. 9 is also missing, so we will write here. So this will be the final answer. 3, 6, 7, 9 will be in the rectangular box which represents the universal set, and the circle A, in circle A we will write 1, 2, 5, 10, and the at the intersection point of A and B we will be writing 4, and in circle B we will write the number 8. Now state the number of elements of A union B. First of all, we will find the A union B. A union B means we have to write all the elements of A and all the elements of B. These two. So it will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10. But the important point here is that this is not the question that find A union B. The question is the number of elements of A union B. So the number of elements of A union B will be, we have to count these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the number of elements of A union B will be 6. Now we have to in the third part we have to describe in words that the set A intersection B complement. Now first of all we have to find these sets. Now B complement means we have to subtract all the elements of B from U. Now the U elements are this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. If we minus the B elements, it means we have to minus 4 and 8. We should not write it in the set B complement. You can see here this is the set B complement. Intersection A. Intersection A means now we have to write all the common elements. Like set A is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10. Intersection set B complement is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 10. Now if you write the complement of this set, so it will be, the final answer will be, if you write the final answer, what will be the answer? So intersection, just write the common elements. So it will be 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are the elements, and these are the factors of 10. So we will say that set A intersection B complement will represent the factors of 10. This is the part B of the same question. Now in this question you can see 30 people are asked what type of fruit they like of these people. 5 say that they like both oranges and bananas. 12 say they like oranges. 8 say they like neither oranges nor bananas. Now by drawing a Venn diagram or otherwise, find the number of people who like bananas but not oranges. So let's do it using the Venn diagram. Now 5 say they like both oranges and bananas. So we have to write 5 in the intersection portion of banana and orange. Now the first circle represents the B circle represents the banana, and the second circle represents the oranges. Now 12 say they like oranges. It means the total number of people, the total number in this circle O will be 12. So if we add 5 plus 7, it will be 12. 8 say they like neither oranges nor bananas. So we have to write 8 outside these two circles. Now we don't know the number of people who like bananas but not oranges. So we will write X in the remaining portion of the circle B. So now the total number of people are 30. So we have to add these values: x plus 5 plus 7 plus 12 plus 8 is equals to 30. So if we further simplify it, we can easily get the value of x. So x will be equals to 10. So we can say that the number of people who like bananas but not oranges are 10. It may take a little more time in making the Venn diagram, in drawing the Venn diagram, but the thing is that this will be an easier way, an easier approach to solve it. The third question is from October-November 2017, and this question is from paper 1, question number 23. Now the first question is, we have to shade the region which represents the subset like this. Now the best way is that we have to move set by set. Like A complement means we have to shade all the rectangle except the circle A. So it means circle A is excluded now. And B intersection C means we have to shade this region B intersection C. Initially we said we have shaded the whole region, and now we are saying the B. Now the intersection point of these A complement intersection B complement B intersection C will be this one, because this is the region which is the intersection of B intersection C as well as A complement. Now the second one is in part B. You can see that we have 3 sets. Now in the first one we have to find the number of elements of P union Q. Now if we combine it and if we write the P union Q set, it will be 1, 4, minus 1 and 2. Now this is again a very tricky part, the tricky portion, that we should not write this set. We should not ignore this alphabet n. This n means the number of elements of set P union Q. So we have to count them: 1, 4, minus 1 and 2. Now if we count these elements, these are the 4 elements. So number of elements of P union Q will be 4. Now this one is the answer for the first part. This Venn diagram is the answer for the first part, which we have already discussed. Now in the part B, these are the sets, and we have to list the number of elements of set R. But the important point is that the equation is given to us, like the equation is x plus y. Now these are the values of P set will represent x, and the values of y set will represent q. Now these are the key terms. Now we have to put the values in the equation, x and y. Similarly, we will put it like this: 1 and minus 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 2, and then 4 and minus 1, 4 and 1, 4 and 2. So we have to simply put these values and we have to write it, and we will say these are the elements of set R. I hope that the concept is clear. This is the fourth question from the October-November 2017 paper. Paper 2, question number 6. Set U contain x is an integer 10 to 20. So it means, let me write the set U. So set U contains from 10 to 20 numbers, like U is equals to 10, 11, 12, 13 up to 20. Similarly, the second one, x is an odd number. Now it means set A will be equals to odd number, but keep this thing in mind that we should not exceed the limits of U. So in U, from the U set, we can see that it starts from, the odd number starts from 11. So 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. So this will be the set A. And set B means the multiple of 5. But we have to be in the limits of set U. So the multiples of 5 means it starts from 10, because we have to be in this set. Among these elements from 10 to 20, 10, 15 and 20 are the multiples of 5. Now in the first one, we have to write the A intersection B. Now if we find out the A intersection B, we will have the final answer as 15, because 15 is the element which comes in both set A and B. But it is not the question to find A intersection B. The question is that find the number of elements of A intersection B. Now we cannot ignore this sign, this alphabet N. So the number of elements of A intersection B will be 1. Now let's move on to the second part. Here it is that A complement union B. Now we have already discussed the set A. A complement means U minus A. A complement means U minus A. So what we will do, we will write the set U minus A. This is the set A, because A is the set of odd numbers. So if we subtract it, so it will, we can write 10, we can write, so A complement will be equals to 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Now we have to find the set B, and then we have to write the union. Now set B was 10, 15 and 20. So if we find out the union of these two sets, the answer will be this. We have to write it in a unite manner. Now you can see the answers in the marking scheme. These are the answers for part first and part second. This is part B. In part B, they are saying that in a survey, 40 people were asked what they had read that day. A total of 10 people had read a book. A total of 24 people had read a newspaper. 14 people had read neither a book nor a newspaper. By drawing a Venn diagram or otherwise find the number of people who had read both books and newspaper. Now let's start it. Let's draw the Venn diagram. Now the circle first will represent the book and the second circle will represent the newspaper. And this rectangular box will represent the universal set. Now we can see, first of all, 14 people had read neither a book nor a newspaper. So we have to write 14 in the rectangular box and outside these two circles. Now we don't know the number of people who read both a book and a newspaper. So in the intersection portion we will write X, because we don't know that the number of people who had read both a book and a newspaper. Now 10 people had read a book. So it means that we have to subtract those the intersection portion, and we will write it as X minus 10 here. Similarly, number of people, 24 people had read a book. It means the total, if we subtract it, the total number of people in newspaper should be 24. Now what does it mean? Basically, let's see, there is a confusion always that why it is X minus 10, why it is not 10 minus X. Because if we always subtract, like X minus 10, we always subtract this from the intersection portion. So that is why here it is, the final answer will be 10. Now we have 40 number of people, total number of people are 40. So that is why we have to add all these numbers. So X minus 10 plus X minus 24 plus 14 is equals to 24. And if you further simplify it, we can get the value of X. So the value of X will be 3. I hope that the concept is clear. Now we will discuss the fifth question. It is from October-November 2016, paper 1, question number 12. Now in the first question, they asked us to find out the number of elements of P union Q. Now first of all, let's find out the value of P union Q. Now as we can see, the in the elements, P is starting from 24. We have to note down the even elements. So but keep this thing in mind that we have to be in these limits. So these are the elements which are the even numbers. So the even numbers will be this, the set P will be this, and the multiple of 3. Let's discuss the multiple of 3. So within this range, within the universal set, these are the multiples of 3. So finally what we can say, that the P union B will be this. We have discussed how to find the union and intersection in the previous lessons, and if you have missed a lesson, you can see the link in the description. Now just count down the number of elements of P union B. If you count down these numbers, so there will be 9 numbers. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will have 9 numbers. So final answer for number of elements of P union B will be 9.
Now let's see the another next question. In the next question, y is the element of the universal set. That y is a prime number. Write down the value of y. Now this will be 89. We can directly see that in 89 is a number which is the prime number among the above numbers. So 87 is the perhaps the only number which is a prime number. So the value y is a prime is 89, because they clearly say that y is the element of universal set, and the second thing is that y is a prime number. So in the universal set, if we see these things, only 89 is a number which is a prime number. Now these are the answer from the marking keys 9 and 89. Now it is the same question in the next part. In part B, we have to draw a Venn diagram to which shade the region represented by A complement intersection B. Now for A complement intersection B, what we have to do, we have to see first of all A complement. Which portion will be the A complement? A complement means we have to eliminate this thing, elements at A. So the answer will be this region B will be the shaded region, because A complement means we have to eliminate A, and then if we intersect, take the intersection or the common section with the B, so this section will be the final answer. So this will be the final answer. Now in the second part, we have to shade the region which is A intersection B complement union C. Now B complement means, first of all, it means that we can eliminate B, and then A intersection B, so this will be the required region. For the bracket, this will be the required region, this complete will be the required region. But the thing is, then we have to add the next section C also, so this complete region will be the, now this portion will represent the A intersection B complement, and then the other portion, the section C, will gives us the output for the A intersection B complement union C. Now the another part is question, it is from question number 14, October November 2016, paper 1. Now in this one we have to explain, we have already solved a question like this in the previous slides. Now let's use the Venn diagram to find the number of students who study both Spanish and French. Now if we draw a circle, if we draw this circle, S represents the number of students who study the Spanish, F represents the number of students, the circle F represents the number of students who study French, and this rectangular box represents the universal set. Now initially we have seen this thing, this is the point that 4 neither study Spanish nor French. So 4 will be in the rectangle portion. After this, now we don't know the number of students who study both Spanish and the French. So number of students who study Spanish is 23. So we will write it like this, that 23 minus x will represent this portion, the remaining portion of S. Similarly, 17 minus x will represent this thing. Now if we add all of them, it will give us the total number of students, which is 36, and if we further simplify it, it will give us the value of x. So x will be equals to 8. I hope that the concept is clear. At the end of each lesson, you must ask few questions from yourself that what we have learned today. Today we have discussed the past paper questions related to sets and notation, and then we have wrap up this topic. So that is it from today's lesson, and that is it from this topic, sets and notation. If you have any questions, so you can ask it in the comment section. Hopefully you have enjoyed the lesson, and if you have liked the video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you have otherwise, you can share your feedback in the comment section.